Thanks for joining me for this short scale study. Today, we're going to focus on building our tone and technique in the key of concert A minor. The key of concert A minor uses an F sharp, a C sharp, and a G sharp, much like its relative concert C major did. In today's page, we're going to be playing something called the harmonic minor also, so we're going to need the note E sharp. An E sharp is the enharmonic equivalent of an F natural. So when you see E sharp today, finger the first finger F natural fingering. If there's an F following it, that F will be F sharp. Let's jump into number 1, harmonic minor scale and arpeggio quarter notes. I've got my metronome set at 70 beats per minute, and I'm going to start on a low F sharp and with a G sharp right after that. 1, 2, ready. Next, I'm going to move on to the harmonic minor scale and arpeggio 8th note pattern. Remember, you'll need an F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, as well as an E sharp, which is the enharmonic equivalent of an F natural. 1, 2, and ready, and go. Great, now let's do the minor chords. I'll play the bottom of the 2 selected notes, and I'll need my G sharps in this exercise. You'll need to start on a C sharp and maintain some C sharps throughout. 1, 2, ready. Now we'll move on to our pattern of thirds exercise. We'll need our F sharps and G sharps and C sharps for this line. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Good. If you made any errors, remember that you can always pause, rewind, go back and play that exercise again for success. Remember, accuracy will give you success. Now we'll move on to our chromatic pivot scale. The note that we're going to be pivoting back to in this line is the C sharp. So we'll need a lot of C sharps, but we'll also need C natural, B, A sharp, which is our fingering for B flat, and then we'll need A, G sharp, G natural, and F sharp. Let's do the chromatic pivot scale. 1, 2, C sharp, and go. Next is our chromatic scale. It starts on F sharp and goes G, then G sharp, pinky key, A. In the second measure is our A sharp or our B flat fingering, followed by a B natural. Then we'll go through C and C sharp, D and D sharp. Remember D sharp, we need the pinky key on our right hand. E, F, F sharp. On the way down, often alto saxophonists are confused by E flat. It's just the fingering for our D sharp. It's the pinky key next to our D. And then D flat is an often confused one as well. D flat is just C sharp. The next one is A flat, the third note from the end. A flat is a G sharp. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready. we'll finish up the concert A minor scale study with the chorale. The chorale is in 3/4 time, and remember we're going to need F sharps, C sharps, and G sharps. If you're playing along with me on the bottom notes, we'll also need a low E sharp. Again, that's F natural. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, no repeats. Ready, go. So there you have it, the Concert A Minor Advanced Scale Study. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you'll consider playing through this scale study again with me very soon. Also consider using the other scale studies and some of the lesson book studies as we go on. Hope this has been helpful. I hope to see you again soon. Keep practicing.